Information technology has played a significant role in transforming the field of library and information science. Some of the modern tools and developments in this field include library management systems, LMS. These are software applications designed to automate library operations, including cataloging, circulation, acquisition, and serials control. LMS enables librarians to manage their library collections, track resources, and provide better access to information to users. Digital libraries. Digital libraries are collections of digital resources that can be accessed and searched online. They allow users to access information from anywhere at any time and enable libraries to provide access to rare and unique materials that may not be available in physical form. Electronic resources. Libraries now offer electronic resources such as RAN databases which are accessible online. Electronic resources have revolutionized the way information is accessed and used, allowing users to access vast amounts of information from their desktops. Library websites. Libraries now have websites that provide users with access to library resources, services, and events. These websites allow users to search the library catalog, reserve materials, and access online resources. Social media. Libraries use social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to engage with users and promote their resources and services. Mobile applications. Libraries now offer mobile applications that allow users to access library resources and services from their mobile devices. In conclusion, information technology has transformed the field of library and information science by providing modern tools and developments that enhance the management and dissemination of information. These developments have led to increased access to information and improved user experiences. Regenerate response.